Hey guys, what's up? How's everyone doing today? I'm doing pretty good myself. So I'm making this video because I'm getting new teeth tomorrow. They are taking my top teeth out and giving me new teeth. And I'm super excited, and I wanted to share it with you guys, bring you into my personal life just a little bit.
12 seconds later.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to share my experience with getting dentures with you guys and maybe give you some tips, kind of let you know what I went through. So today makes 5 days. I got my dentures last Thursday, so I'm already adapting pretty well, mostly. Super tired right now because today was my first full day back to work. So I'll try to be ecstatic and excited. Woohoo! Don't do that again, Michael. Don't. Yeah, guys. So I got dentures. I'm only 28 years old, but I had really bad teeth. My teeth lacked enamel, and I had an enamel deficiency. So, sorry for the talk or the yeah. Sorry for my voice. I still have a lisp. It's My problem is I like to talk fast. I start talking really fast, and that's when I start messing up on my words. But as long as I talk slow, then I can talk pretty good. So I'm not eating everything fully yet, but I'm getting there. I ate an orange today. That was fun. So it really wasn't that bad getting dentures, like the whole tooth extraction and everything.
One eternity later.
The anticipation, I think, is the worst part. And then, I don't know, the shot, even the shots wasn't bad. What bothered me the most was the numbing gel. I did not like that numbing gel going down the back of my throat. But it's normal, makes your throat numb, you know. Um, the shots, though, they really weren't that bad. But I think one of the worst things is like I said, the anticipation. But they did half one side, and then they said they'd be back in 5 minutes. They were gonna let me rest.
6.5 hours later.
They came back 30 minutes later. By the time they came back, I was like, "Let's go, let's do this!" Like I was ready to get out of there, so bad. I just wanted to be home. It it didn't hurt at all. Like there was no pain. I didn't have any pain at all. Like it was just a lot of pressure and a lot of sounds, but it wasn't bad. It didn't hurt. And so during my extraction, I bled a lot, like a lot. And well, I have really good blood flow, but I also take, I don't know, I take fish oil every single day. I'm young, but fish oil has multiple benefits. Helps with depression, anxiety, um, all sorts of benefits to taking fish oil daily. So I take that, and then I took aspirin like a couple hours before I went because my back was hurting. So I took some aspirin. Aspirin thins the blood as well. So I bled a lot. I don't know if it was from the fish oil or from the aspirin, but if you're going to be getting dentures, maybe note that down. Maybe like don't take any aspirin the day of your extraction, and fish oil maybe stop taking a couple days before you go. The first day, well, I got stitches too. They had to stitch me up. So the first night I bled a lot, and I bled the next day and the next day. As long as I stayed sitting down, though, I was good. Mainly when you get immediate dentures, you're not supposed to take them out for 24 hours, but I had to because they wouldn't stay up. I had to take them out, and I had to put gauze all in my mouth and get the bleeding to slow down. And then after that, I had to put the dentures back in my mouth, and I put gauze in my mouth and I bit down on it to help keep the dentures up in my mouth. And I fell asleep like that, woke up the next day, and the dentures felt like they fit fine. So, and they still feel like they fit fine. I'm healing very well, the dentist said. I had my post-op follow-up appointment yesterday, and they said I was doing really well. No more bleeding, no more of that, so that's good. Let's see what else.
3 days later.
I was gonna write some stuff down for you guys so you guys would kind of have a better idea, but I just decided I'm just gonna make the video. So, a couple more things. If you need dentures and you have the money, then go for it. If you don't, then I don't want to be the other person that tells you, your health is very important and that you need to do what you got to do to get your dentures. But you do. It can get really bad. My teeth were really, really bad. Like, I had abscessed gums, and I've had them for the last 3 or 4 months. And I was draining them every night. I know it's disgusting, but I'm just being real with you guys. That could have turned to sepsis real fast. So luckily, it didn't, and it probably would have if I wouldn't have been draining them every night. So you need to do what you got to do. I know it's the way the system is designed, kind of sucks sometimes, because there's people out there that really, really need dentures, or they really need their teeth pulled, and they can't afford it. And that's how I was. I couldn't afford it, and then I found a way and I made it happen. Aspen Dental, they have a financing program that I got approved for, and my fiance, she co-signed, so it made it to where I could afford it. But it really wasn't even that much, guys. It was like $1,000 for the top dentures. I need bottom dentures too, but I'm gonna wait on that until I could probably just pay for that cash. I'll probably just save up and pay for that cash. And so, yeah, check it out. There's a lot of dentists that offer financing, and if you can't get approved, then there's a lot of programs out there that you could probably get approved for. It might take longer, but you could probably do it. So don't be scared to get them either. If you're gonna be getting dentures, then don't be scared. Like I said, like I was a little nervous because I don't like going to the dentist. I'm one of those anti-dentist people. I just don't. I had a bad experience when I was a kid, and ever since then, it just stuck with me. So I hope you guys are looking forward to seeing me on the channel now a lot more with, good teeth. I'm looking forward to it. I couldn't wait. Like, I was so excited to make a video. I almost made a video the next day after I got the dentures, but I was still bleeding, and I just decided, I'm going to wait. I'm going to, go through this experience, and then I'm going to share it with you guys, after I've had some time. So, Malto you gotta have malto with butter and sugar after you get your dentures. Like, it's the best. You can eat it. You can eat tons of it. You don't have to chew it. You can just swallow it. Malto it's good for you too. It's got iron and calcium and whatever else it has. It has stuff. It has special ingredients, guys. So that's one thing I ate afterwards for the first 2 days, I believe. Now I'm already like. Now, yesterday I ate a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, and the day before yesterday for dinner we had some hamburger helper. I couldn't eat the meat though. I had to vegetarian it. Yeah, new word, vegetarian it. So that's what I had to do with that. And then some shells and cheese. Like, that was yummy, and I was able to eat that too. So, like I said, guys, sorry I'm tired right now. Long day at work, and my body's still a little weak from not being able to eat like I usually do, but I'm bouncing back pretty quick. I'm pretty excited about it, and yeah, I just can't wait. Like, it's like unreal. Like, I've been needing dentures for a very, very, very long time. Um, yeah. So not the best experience that I've had with my teeth. I've been in a lot of pain for a long time. So luckily it's all done now, and my bottom teeth are probably still pretty good. I mean, mostly good. One dentist didn't want to give me a bottom denture. They just wanted to like pull some teeth and fix what they could. But the new dentist, he just wants to pull them all. So it's not bad. He was a good dentist. He was very upfront, straightforward, and ready to take action. And that's what I needed. I didn't need somebody who was just gonna, oh, let's do this. No, I'm a stubborn guy. No, I am a stubborn guy, and so you know, hey, it is what it is, guys. Um,
Many months later.
what else? Oh yeah. So if you have bad teeth and they're stopping you from something you want to do in life, then you need to just start doing it anyways. Like I was I waited a long time to start. I wanted to start YouTube a long time ago, start making videos. But I was always like, oh, my teeth, you know. I didn't really care what people thought, but I care what I thought and what I think. I care what I think. But, at the same time, having bad teeth, it still affects you. Even if you think it doesn't or say it doesn't, it really does. Like how you talk, you start talking like with one side of your mouth because like my teeth are bad. If you haven't seen my teeth, then go back and watch my other videos. Go the last video or whatever video. There for a while, I had some fake covers that I just slapped over my teeth, and that worked for a little while. So I can leave a link in the description below for those fake covers if you guys, if any of you are shy about your teeth or insecure, then those fake covers, they form to your teeth and they slap over your teeth. They worked for a little while, but they turned yellow pretty quick, mainly because I vape with them in my mouth, and drink coffee with them in my mouth. So um but yeah, guys, don't let your teeth, don't let anything stop you from doing what you want to do in life. You just gotta wake up every day and do it, and don't think just because you wake up one day and you don't have no ideas, that doesn't mean it's over. That means just keep pushing, Sometimes you gotta give yourself a break. I love making videos, but I don't always have the ideas, I have a whole notebook full of ideas that I just write down sometimes, but sometimes when I want to make a video, it's just not the right time for the idea. So, but still, write all your ideas down. And just, you only get one life, guys, and you shouldn't have to live it, in pain. You shouldn't have to live it insecure. So just do you, and don't worry about what people think. If they're not bringing anything to the table, then they don't matter. Alright, guys, well, this video is already at 11 minutes long. I know it's not much. I just wanted to really share this with you guys because this is a special moment for me, and YouTube is a part of my life now, like making videos. So I just figured I'd bring you guys in on a personal level, share with you guys. I was gonna do this in my little office that I got, but I figured, I might as well do it in the car since it's a car channel. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Let me know what you think. If you're thinking about getting dentures and you're scared to, go ahead and leave it in the comments below and I'll get back to you and let you know it's not that bad. It's really not. And you'll be so happy you did afterwards. So I hope you all have a great day and great night, great life, great whatever it is. And take care, guys. Yeah. I'm tired. um, I'm so happy I got teeth. Like, it means a lot to me. I want to cry. I'm not really an emotional guy, but this is something that I've been waiting on for a really, really long time. So I'm glad it finally happened. Now, when I'm editing my videos, I don't have to stare at myself in my teeth, because that affected me too. While editing, it affected me, you know. So, but yeah, guys, yay, woohoo! Super excited. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I'm gonna wrap up the video. I'm gonna wrap it up like, yo, I'm gonna put this to an end. I don't pretend. Yeah, I can rap. Where do I begin? Peace out, guys.